Where are the girls? Where'd the girls go? Oh, there's one. Oh, look at her. She's all wet. Oh, God. Stinky dog. Stinky dog. Is that your girlfriend? Yeah. She likes you a lot. Don't bring sticks in here. I'm the one who has to clean up the chewed up mess. I like these stuffed animals. They're just my size. What are you doing? Huh? What's going on over there? Oh, man. It's just a sleepy kind of day, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a favorite toy right there. Top off the laundry thing. Until they start shredding it, it's just right for little mouths. Oh, you might be able to tear it apart. I'm going to have to take it away. I think so. Oh. Yeah, that's cracking. Oh, yeah, okay.